The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. But what happens when that first step feels too overwhelming? When the mountain ahead seems impossibly high, the greatest achievements in history weren't accomplished in giant leaps. They were built through small, consistent steps, one after another. We are surrounded by stories of overnight success, but look closer. Behind every sudden breakthrough are thousands of hours of unseen effort. The world celebrates the victory but rarely witnesses the struggle. The small daily choices, the consistent habits, the incremental improvements that compound over time. Imagine improving just 1% each day, almost imperceptible, but over a year that compounds to make you 37 times better than when you started. This is the secret that transforms ordinary people into masters of their craft. Not grand, heroic efforts, but small, sustainable actions performed consistently over time. When facing your mountain, don't focus on the summit. Focus on the next step. Break your impossible goal into manageable actions. Ask yourself, what's the smallest possible action I can take today? Then take it. Imperfect action always trumps perfect inaction. It's better to walk 1 mile every day than to run 10 miles once a month. Consistency creates habits. Habits create lasting change. You will stumble. You will miss days. That's part of being human. But never miss twice in a row. Return to your path immediately. Your life is built through your daily choices. Each small step might seem insignificant, but they are the very things that will transform your life. The question isn't whether you can climb the mountain. The question is, are you willing to take the first step, and then another and another? Remember, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. You are unstoppable. Subscribe for more motivational speeches.